Hi everyone, and welcome to Bob's Wood Stuff. Today I'm going to show you how to make this raised planter box out of redwood or cedar. There are downloadable plans in the description of this video. The first step is to cut 6 of the fence boards. They're 72 inches long, but fence boards aren't always consistent, so I cut them to 71 inches. After that, I measured the width of 2 boards together. For me it was 15 inches, but this may change based on your fence boards. With the remaining boards, I cut 4 pieces into 15-inch lengths to use for the ends of the planter box. I ripped a 2x4 on the table saw to make a 2x2, then cut it into 4 15-inch lengths for corner blocks. I laid out all the pieces on the ground and screwed the side pieces to the corner blocks. Then I stood up the sides and screwed the end pieces to the corner blocks. I ripped a fence board into 1-inch strips on the table saw and then screwed them to the inside of the box at the bottom. These cleats will support the bottom of the planter box. With the 2 fence boards being used for the bottom, I cut out the corners to accommodate the corner block. Then I placed them inside the box and finish nailed them to the support cleats all the way around. I cut some more 2x2s out of a 2x4 and screwed them together into a frame that fits inside the center of the box. This frame will prevent the sides from bowing outward and the bottom from bowing downward. I screwed the side boards to the central frame as well as the bottom boards. I cut fence boards into 3 32-inch lengths on the miter saw. This required 1.5 fence boards. Then ripped 4 pieces at 2 inches wide and 4 pieces at 1 3/4 inches wide. I finish nailed the narrower strips into the corner blocks on the ends of the box. Then nailed the wider strips up against them on the adjacent sides. These get nailed into the corner block and also into the adjacent leg piece. I cut some more 2x2s to the length of the leg overhang, then nailed them into the leg pieces as support blocks. I also toe-nailed the support blocks to the planter box for some more rigidity. Then I cut some fence boards to 2 1/4 inches wide and mitered them together on the top of the box. I finish nailed this molding into the fence boards comprising the sides of the box. There should be a small overhang on this molding. Then I added 2-inch strips on the sides to cover up the screws. I also drilled several 3/8-inch holes near the bottom of the side boards and 3/4-inch holes on the bottom boards to allow drainage. So this project turned out really well. It was just a one-day project, but now I have all this space to grow vegetables for myself and my roommates, and I don't have to bend down while gardening, which is a huge plus for me. I hope you enjoyed it, and please like and subscribe.